What's up? Blue 42. How we doing today, fellas? How we doing today, fellas? Whoa. Whoa. Today, bro, I don't know. What's good, Luca? I don't know. I don't know. I couldn't tell you, bro. Probably. That was quick. Yo, what's good, bro? Stop. Alright, hold up. Give me a second to get settled in. Gotta notify the Discord. Alright. Dude, my allergies are so bad. But anyways, bro, we're back in all-time highs. We are back. Oh wait, are we? Wait, hold up. Yeah, we're back in all-time highs again. Again, bro. Like I need some sort of pullback for me to at least take along. What's good, Luis? Like I need like on NQ. I haven't really looked at ES, but on NQ, we didn't even pull back to this before we then. Like, the market is so bullish right now. For me, it's just, like, how I trade and how I like to trade. Like, there is not opportunity for me to take a trade in here. Like, this is just a straight move. Like, there's no opportunity for me to trade this. There's not. For me, personally, and how I trade, there isn't really. So if we're looking at higher time frames, like if this is a 1 minute, like I'm not going to take a trade off of this. I'm going to wait for what? Structure to settle in. Maybe we actually put in a high. What's good, Euro? We actually put in a high, and then we see like some form of internal structure. But until we get that, bro, it's hard. It's going to be hard for me to take a trade. And I've been saying that. That I know it sucks right now. I know it's not the most ideal. I know it's not what I want to see. But when those conditions are there, when I do have confidence, that's when I'll become a good trader. That's when I will become profitable. That's when I will become that's when it'll all piece together. Like right now, like this is just a start. And if I'm able to build these good habits now, what do you think is going to happen when market conditions are there? What do you think is going to happen when we finally get that retracement lower, and then we start to form structure, and I'm able to base trades based off the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Like this move is just hard for me to base anything off. Like the best action for me personally and how I trade is within here, not within here. Thoughts on gold? I do not look at gold. I only look at ES and NQ, but I should probably start looking at things other than ES and NQ, like DXY. But me personally, bro, I just look at ES and NQ. Patience is key, 100%. Oh my gosh. Markets opens in 1 minute. I gotta be locked in. I do not want to be looking at gold. But yeah, we're pretty much just running this. Like this is no trade. You can't even take a trade. We just drew to this high. Like this is not a trade. There actually was a nice. There was a nice model, and I have this out. I want to see like sell side of the curve start to form. I want to see sell side of the curve. Is it New York session? I mean, like, I don't really know how to. New York Open, whatever. I want to see a low get put in, and I want to see us displace below a low. If that tells me that the draw is going to be this 1 hour fair value gap, and then this low nestled in there. I do like how we have a low nestled in this hourly fair value gap. That to me is my draw. I want to see some sort of retracement. But there was this 5-minute model. Again, we're coming back in. We barely tapped this 1 hour. And then we rally up. You get that market structure shift, fair value gap, right to this high. That is a nice model. Forex Factory. Yeah, we have no news today as well. We have no news. No news on a Friday. I don't trade the best on Fridays, like personally. So there's also that. So I think NQ is gonna take this high. Scroll all the way down on Forex Factory. I didn't even know they had this. Okay, so London ends in 2.5 hours. We're now at all-time high. No, is this all-time high on NQ? Well, this is just I don't know. Yeah, we are. It sucks, bro, that like every one of the morning sessions, every one of the pre-market sessions before market opens, I guess if you want to say it, we've already like met some form of high. Like right now, we already drew to this high. Like there's not that much opportunity for me to take a trade off of that. NQ movement, yeah, it is. Yeah, everyone confused New York session with Wall Street open. I mean, for me, when I trade market open. So if there is a trade like New York session, I guess, then I can take it. Cause I know that New York session technically I think it starts at 7 a.m. Eastern. I think that's right. I'm not 100%. And think about it, bro. We are taking a daily level here. So if like if I'm looking to short this market, I need to see like at least structure on like the 15-minute. Honestly, I might be leaning more bearish until we really displace above the previous all-time high. Other than that, though, the greed in these markets, everyone's going to be greedy, and everyone's going to be looking, or I'll say everyone trades differently, but I can tell you a lot of people are going to be looking to short this just to short this, which that's kind of the side I'm on. Like, I want to see, like, some sort of relief. I want to see some sort of retracement, bro. Like, we are just ripping. And that means that if I'm not really confident with this, then why would I trade it? Why would I put my money on something that I'm not 100% confident in, that I don't have conviction with? I mean, I guess if there's a trade opportunity that shows up, but this is nothing to touch. You have to recognize what the market is giving you, what the market is showing you, what the market is presenting you. But the hard part about that is recognizing that maybe your edge isn't there. Good morning, Colin. Yeah, bro, this market is crazy. You looked at funding account. Um, I think I'll trade with my own capital. I will say though, like some like funding prop firm like reached out to me. They're like launching within a month. They're legit. They seem legit, and I actually really like their software. And they want me to have like a referral code, but I don't know. They don't have futures on it, so they said they're planning to add them in the future. Kind of ironic, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna sell out. Took it or take it? No, don't do it. They have like yeah, they have forex and they have Bitcoin. It's very slimy, bro. Like, and also, bro, like some other guy reached out. Like, bro, so many people are just so eager to make money off of people. Try to make money off of like influencers, I guess. It's kind of annoying. Like, she was like trying to build me a course for me to sell a course. I'm like, bro, I'm not doing that. I mean, the offer you can search on Google. What can I search? Wow, 11 people? Wait, there's 11 people in here? That's crazy. I don't even have my viewer count on. I don't like to look at my viewers. Because like I've been saying, bro, the amount of viewers in here does not make the stream better or worse. It really does not. Currently, two FTMO and Funded Next, they have their own servers. What's good, Limitless? FTMO isn't in the US anymore. Luca, you say you use Top Step, right? Is that right? Yeah. Like I'm literally not. I'm not even looking to trade this right now. For how I trade, like there is little opportunity for me in what I look to trade in this. Breakout traders have had an amazing week. That's all I can say. Breakout traders are feasting right now. Eating. They are grubbing. And all I'm gonna say is when market conditions are there, when my edge is there, when I'm able to take good trades, that's when I'll feast too. And bro, like also you gotta realize that I'm a newer trader, so I'm just all about building good habits right now. So I know opportunity will come. The market's always gonna be open, bro. You gotta realize that. They have problem with NQ, but they implementing DX trade and C trade. See that sounds like Italian to me. That sounds like German to me. I don't. I'm already done trading from Croatia, so I usually trade London. I see. How'd that go for you, bro? What do you trade forex? Crazy. I got like someone in Croatia in here. That's wild. Like all I can tell you is that every morning, but GJ, how long you been trading for? I have been trading. So whenever a lot of people ask me that, and whenever I tell them, I would say I've been trading for 4 months. 4 months. Love from Mexico. Hey, I appreciate the love, and it's so good to see. I'm so grateful for like the amount of love and support I get. It's insane. It's wild, and this is like only the start. So what do you think is gonna happen in like 3 to 5 months? It's going to be insane. I'm so grateful for you guys. So back to that trading. Like I've been trading, so I've been like kind of knowing about trading. I had like a demo account a year ago, and then I opened a live account like 9 months ago, and that's where I've lost like all my money. Is just like not really trading, but like kind of just taking a trade. I would say that was more like gambling, or like thinking that I was like doing something good, but I was really had no clue what I was doing, and I was just trading to trade. But around like 4 months ago, I quit my job, and now I'm all in. But I would say I've been like serious about it for about like 2 months. Ever since I started live streaming, that's when I was like serious. And even then, bro, like I wasn't putting in as much effort as I am now. But like now I'm like all in. I'm all in on this. I've been in the market for 1 year and a half, gambling for 12 months, been trading for six. For real. Like once you stop gambling and once you start actually trading, that's when you're improving. But for me right now, this is no touch. I need to see something form. We don't have any news today. I don't trade the best on Fridays, so I'm expecting to see slower action. But who knows? Like I will take a trade if it's there. I will. I'm not gonna be scared to take a trade, but the market literally has to have a silver platter out there, and is like screaming at me to take a trade, especially where we're at right now. And like I've been saying, it does suck. It sucks, bro. Hold up, Loki. If you've been like here for a minute, or if you like, you can go back. You can go back to like what I've been saying this, but right around here, I was like, I want to see us accumulate, bro. I want to see us chop at least a little bit. And so like on the higher time frames, I could expect to see some form of chop and accumulation. And I was like, I want to see us come back into all time highs, put in a high here, and then I think that's when we're gonna get our retracement lower. But I don't really care. I don't really care that I kind of like predicted that, because who knows what's gonna happen. The market, you trying to predict the market is not, it's not the way to go. Much love, brother. Hey, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. A lot of new people see these gurus on Telegram. They sell them signals. They see big profits, but new people don't see like 90 a lot. By gurus, but your charts look good, but I would wait. I am I'm going to be as patient as can be. We're kind of getting something, but this is a 1 minute time frame, bro. You gotta realize that we are in daily levels. We are in daily levels, and to overreact that we're like slightly whatever on a 1 minute, that's insane. What's good, Nicholas? How you doing, brother? How you doing today, bro? All I'm saying is that the streams have been getting so much better the past week. The streams have been amazing, and I thank you guys, bro. I'm grateful for you guys. I gotta use the bathroom, bro. I've been chugging water today, so don't be surprised if I'm like gotta use the bathroom like 5 times. But I think if you're not drinking, if you're not pissing like 6 times a day, you're not drinking enough water. I made a video that may piss people off. Why? What broker would you use? Depends what you trade. I trade futures. I use Tradevate. I've liked Tradevate when I've been using it, but I used Webull when I was trading options. Excited to watch it. Most of the truth in this industry pisses people off. TD Ameritrade. I'm pretty sure TD Ameritrade is good. I don't know. I haven't used it. I use Webull. I liked using Webull. I thought it was decent. But yet again, I've only used Webull and Tradevate, so I can't really tell you. What setup are you looking at on SPY today? For me, I know you're talking to Nicholas, but for me, bro, there is no trade setup yet. Bullish. Yeah, there's nothing here. I would like to see us maybe accumulate, and I wouldn't really take this trade, but accumulate and then manipulate this, and then sell lower. I don't know, Nicholas. I am not taking a trade that I have low conviction with. I'm not gonna take a trade I have low conviction with. I'm only taking a trade that I have high conviction with. Because why would I put my money on something? Why would I place a trade with something that I have low conviction? I would like I would like to retest of yesterday's high with a continuation of the upside. That's most likely high quality setup. Fair, sometimes low conviction equals low size. Yeah, but still, even if it is low conviction, bro, it's gotta be like medium conviction, if you know what I mean. I think we're gonna chop here on the 1 minute. That's why I think we're gonna chop. Then we might manipulate this high turtle soup entry, but for me, I don't know. But I'm not trying to predict. That's just a guess. That's just a guess I'm putting out there. I have a constructive bone to pick with you. What do you mean? You want to be constructive? Like if I'm taking a trade off of this though, like this wouldn't. This is too zoomed in. Yesterday you shorted your demo account, your full account size, right? I did not. I didn't take a trade yesterday. I was joking, bro. Bro, I feel like you're too serious. Yeah. Oh, bro. I know what you're talking about. So I did end up using my full account on my live account. But I didn't take any trades on my demo. Bro, literally never don't listen to like trading advice that I have. However you trade, do it. If it works for you, then it works for you. If it doesn't work, then you should If it doesn't work for you, then you need to fix what you're doing. So your live account, yeah, I full ported my live account, and I'm about to do it again today. Yesterday I made like 30%, but today is full port Friday. So all right, boys, Skillim, I have my account in this position right now. We'll let the other half when we get a pullback. Are you long? Oh, you're in the position. Now I'm just curious to see what your thought process was, so we all can improve. My thought process, bro, like that's why I do my charting sessions. It's like kind of that those are like my trade recaps, or not chart aftermarket sessions. Those are like my trade recaps. I also journal, and then starting Saturday we will be doing daily trading webinars. Curious to see what that will turn into. I'm not really expecting much when it starts, but it'll be in the Discord. Basically, like I'll be in there, and then I want to lead it. I want to be the leader of it, and then say someone wants to talk, they can raise their hand, and then I can, or they can, like, I don't know how that works. I think on Zoom you raise your hand, right? I think Discord kind of has the same thing, but I want, like, if you talk, raise your hand, and then I will let you speak, and then like we can all grow together, and curious to see what other people have to say. But at the same time, I also don't know if I do love that, because I don't know. I'm kind of selfish in the way I view trading a little bit. Is that like other people and what they think is not going to be, it is not going to be fair to how I trade. Like someone might see like support and resistance here, and how I trade, like I'm not. That's not how I look to trade. So I don't know what I'm really trying to say, but I think they'll be good. All 10 for sure. Hey, I plan to see you there. Hopefully I'll see you there, and they'll be every day. If you don't lead it, it'll be like the live voice chat where they, yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Because it got to a point to in the Discord, like I want to have a community where people and traders can bounce ideas off of each other, and I'm not profitable yet, so I don't think it's fair for me to like fully lead a server, like fully lead it. So that's kind of why I that's kind of why in like the voice chat I wasn't really as active. I wasn't as active in the Discord. We kind of just had people in there. I wasn't really in there, and that's totally okay. Like I'm totally fine with people like being in the voice chat, chatting together, discussing stuff. But I also kind of want to lead the Discord as well, like going in the future. Like I've been more active in the Discord recently, and in the future it's definitely going to be a great place and to get great value. Yeah, it's yeah, it'll take time, 100%. I think we're gonna manipulate at that high and then sell off. At this high and then sell off. I think we're gonna draw into this and then sell off. But we kind of, I want to see. I need to see like, so here's what I want to see, and here is what I would like to see for me to place a trade. So we kind of put in this high. I want us to come down, kind of chop. I want us to chop for a second. You guys will see chop, and I'll see this is just accumulation. I want us to manipulate this high, sweep this high internally, and then get some displacement lower. That can tell me, that can give me more confirmation that we actually want to head here. But until we get that, I won't be looking to trade. And if we don't get that, then I don't know. But this is what I'm looking at. Is there a big difference between live and demo trading besides the fact of using your money slash emotion? I would say no. Not at all. I would definitely recommend demo trading. Like I demo trade. I'm on a demo account. I do know that I will want to switch over to a live account once we get better action and market conditions are there. So with that being said, that'll probably be like a month or 2 months in time, but that's probably when I will switch over. I would if I had to give you a date of what time I will switch over to a live account, it'll probably be April, probably May. May is probably when I'll switch over to a live account. Either April or May. But as long as you treat that demo account like it's a live account, like my demo account, I have exactly the amount of money I would put into a live account. I have $1,500, and that's how much I would have in a live account. So I'm risking the same amount on my demo account that I would on my live account. So I'm treating this exactly like it's my live account. I'm risking the same amount as I am on the live account. We're definitely in a bull market. Yeah. We are getting some displacement lower now. We are getting some displacement. So we can see this could be possibly an opportunity. I need to see more. I'm picky. But when I had a demo account and I wasn't using this with like proper management and I was just treating it like it was just an account, that's when I hurt myself. And then I went to a live account. I thought I was the shit because I was over leveraging a demo account, and it just wasn't good. Oh, yeah, this tells me that we have selling volume, so we could possibly draw to this in this fair value gap. That's what I want to see today. Hold up. I'm gonna put on some music. I wish I could play music on stream, but I'm not trying to get copyrighted. I think I could though. I don't think I'll get banned. I just don't want to get banned. Nicholas, what was your video about? I'm curious. Or should I wait and watch it? Yeah, notice how we do get displacement, but we didn't really put in a low here. I guess this low on the 1 minute. Yeah, now we get displacement. Watch it, but basically I think manipulation is invalid. Like a manipulation like this, like we fake like we're going this and then going lower. All I'm gonna say, bro, is just look at daily candles. Because manipulation up, higher. Manipulation up, higher. Manipulation up, higher. This not really. Then this is like a doji candle. I mean, I guess this one. But like all these candles are going to have wicks. So in that sense, that's the manipulation. Manipulation, 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 shaboom. Says she like my style. About to enter silver bullet hour. I don't look to trade silver bullets. The stock market is the stock market is not mass manipulated. It contradicts traditional support and resistance. We just opened another 15-minute candle. We're gonna see. Are we going to head towards this? Kind of got a big move. Volume seller stepped in. Yeah, I think the first 30 minute, the first 10 to 11 is the best time to trade. 100%. But yes, this is a whole lot of nothing. Show on stream? Show what? I will not be looking to trade ES though. You have top messages on, not recent. I think I have recent. I have live chat on. It should show me everything. No trade setup. I need to see more formulate. Maybe a trade within the next hour, but patience until we get there. Patience until we get to that. Like I am so happy with how I'm progressing as a trader, to where like I know when it's not the right time to place a trade, but also sometimes that hurts me. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna be overly patient today. I'm gonna be overly patient today. I'm gonna be very strict today, and then that ends up me like overthinking stuff. But I feel like that I would rather be that than like not trying to place this trade here, place this trade there. You know. Stop shot. So I don't think under such overthinking should even affect your trading. Either the setup is there or it's not. I don't know, bro. I think there's always gonna be like a quote unquote setup. I mean, I trade differently than you. I know you place like longer term trades. So, how long have you been trading though, Nicholas? 5 years. Yeah, there's always gonna be like a possible setup that you could take. Like here, we did. We aren't robots, though. You know, sometimes human emotions get in the way. 100%. I'm not saying like all the time. Well, it depends on your system, bro. She wanna blow. Yeah. Like this is all low resistance. I think we're going to go to this low today. And back in this 1 hour. Like we barely tap this. We barely tap this. Like that's not enough for me. I wanna see us like and this is very much so bearish order flow. I don't like how it's good, Eddie. I don't like how Spy's moves. Spy has big moves to the upside without Q's. Divergence messed me up today. Still up on the week, luckily. I started having a real system in 2024. 0 for 2. Hey, you're good, bro. You'll be back. Like for me, like I know you trade differently, but how I see this is like this is what's going through my mind. So coming into the week, bro, this is a straight pump up. So I don't really like this. I don't think that there's much opportunity within this pump. So like this is a very strong move to the upside, and I just don't like the hourly is either. We just took this high. This could easily be market structure shift. We just pump throughout the day. And I feel like this is just all chop. This is all just noise. We're back in all-time highs as well. That's why I have low conviction today. Or I wouldn't say low convict. I would say like that's why I have low expectations for today. So like I am not looking to take a trade. I really don't want to trade today. And that's how I'm going to be going into every day, and that's what's going to make me profitable. I'm not looking to take a trade. And I don't care what anyone else says. I'm not looking to take a trade every day. I'm not looking to take a trade. If the market presents me a setup on a silver platter that I deem to be valid and I need to take that, then I will take the trade. But I'm not looking to trade. Like I'm not looking to trade this right now. I think a pullback to hourly support would be nice. Something. Good discipline. Yeah, I would rather take 100, 108. I would rather take throughout the year. I would rather take 50 A plus setups throughout the whole year. 50 A plus setups, but the system I have and how I look to trade, I know that there will probably be more than 50 A plus setups, but I would rather take 50 A plus setups throughout a whole year than to take three 300 to 1,000 okay trades. For anyone that trades option stock, Amazon looks clean over 175. Can you precisely define an A plus setup? For me, Clear draw and liquidity is what I'm looking for. Clear draw. For me, the draw is here, but it's not as clear yet. I like to take a fair value gap. I don't have like a for sure checklist, but I want it to be for certain. I want to have high conviction with the draw. That's the most important. I want to have like higher time frames supporting my trade. Then I can zoom into lower time frames and take that trade more precisely. Alright, whatever. A setup that you have seen is consistent and repeatable can be a different and will be different for everyone with clean price action. Yeah, and also good risk reward, clear draw, liquidity. Now take those four and then write them on a Google sheet. Yeah, that. Oh, I kind of do that in my head though. Hold up, there's no way I don't have like something like that. But basically, bro, I have a goal. I'm trying to. So this is my trading notebook. Trading. I'm trying to fill this out. I want to fill this whole thing out. I don't have like a timeline for it, but I should probably make one. But pretty much, this is all just notes. Me studying. And then another like big goal of mine is just to be consistent with this, like every single day. Like here's my daily bias. This is what I'm looking at today. Man, are we bullish or what? I want to see sell side of the curve start to form, but if we do not get that, then I will not look to take anything. We are just straight up no trades. I'm not looking to take a trade today. I only trade if the market makes me trade today. I'm building good habits, and I guess we will see what happens later on today. I'm not going to force anything. We don't have any news today, and it is Friday. Patience, patience, patience. It will pay off in the future. And then I don't really care about this here. This is like my personal one. We're not gonna get into that. I got my run log. I just started logging this on that. I go like how many miles I did, how many miles per hour, how many, and then like how long it was for. And then this is the important one. These are all my live trades. Like just me looking back on this, just I mean I guess it's all hindsight, but like I can tell you exactly what I did wrong here. We swept internal. This is really just us sweeping internal. We get displacement higher. This is not a good buy. I'm taking a bearish for value gap here, in hopes of getting here, but yeah, this was a good trade though. I remember this. I almost got stopped out. I just didn't manage my take profits better. I don't think I traded this day. Oh, I remember this. This was the 5 minute. Whatever. Okay. If we're to start over the trade, I would journal, but I would also ask myself one question per day that I don't know the answer to, and try to answer it. Is scalping or longer term better for my type? Yeah, that's good. That's good to have. No, you're good, bro. Nope, nope. Yeah. All this is doing is just what we're doing right now is just formulating me being able to take a trade later on in the day. Like this is necessary for what's gonna happen later. Woohoo! Discord active, people in live trading. Sorry, I was responding to the Discord. Caramel? Do you say caramel or caramel? I look you say caramel. But I can see people saying caramel. Caramel. I don't know. I ain't really ever eating caramel, so I don't really care. Again, I think that we might put in a low here. Two equal lows here. Like I will take a trade. I will like just test my draw and liquidity, but like we don't have anything on the 15 minute. There is nothing here on the 15 minute. There is nothing here. Just look at the 15 minute and tell me what am I supposed to take a trade off of here. There's nothing to really help me formulate a bias. Colin, did you take a trade? Decent entry right now on yesterday high. Bro, I was having some thoughts this morning, bro. I think I might do it. I'm not gonna tell you guys, but I think I might do it. My take, I'll let you know. I personally, bro, I'm not trading this right now. I need like there's nothing for me to trade off of. I want to see like some 15-minute structure. It ain't nothing crazy. I gotta build up some anticipation, bro. Like, do y'all ever watch movies? Do y'all ever watch movies, bro? They don't get straight to that. They don't get like straight to the climax. Y'all sound like some little. You sound like some little teenage girls right now. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna tell me? You're not gonna tell me? Really? Bro, the dogs heard that. Bro, why does this smell like that in here? The suspense? Yeah, I ain't gonna like. If we are the little teenage girls, you are the dad that gaslights them. Bro, y'all are some weirdos. I want us to chop around here. I want us to chop in here. Trying to be the Aiden Ross of trading. Bro, I'm trying to be myself, so. Should have held your shorts. For real. Bro would have been paid right now. I don't like. I'm just trying to be myself at the end of the day. Like, I ain't trying to, like, copy anyone. I ain't trying to be anyone else, bro. Do you have an SMT? I'm not really locked in. Just because I know opportunity's not going to be there. This actually looks nice, the upside. That soup setup. Very low risk buy here. I'm not even logged in on Trade Oh my gosh. Ah! I was low-key trying to get in. I was low-key. That's whatever. It's okay. We don't know. It might not even play out. Hold up. I actually am going to hop in. Just to test myself. Bro, what is this? I'm just trying to... Okay. Here we go. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm in this turtle soup entry. I feel like this is kind of too, like, realistically, bro. Like when I was trying to get in, would have been right here. Would have been stop at this low. Just target previous high. Nothing crazy. Some slight. Gonna add one here. Where's my stop again? I'll put it at that low. First TP. I'm actually going to move this up to here. Why put it at that low? Wouldn't that be the minute, bro? If I'm taking this trade, this for me in my eyes it would be the manipulation. But this is just me trying to this is me test myself. If I was on a live account, I would not be taking this. This is just me testing myself. We have S&T at low, manipulation. If we go below this low, that's how you know it's not the right setup. It's kind of risking too much. It can't be manipulated again. What if you're looking for a manipulation, you're not. if it's a true manipulation, it won't be manipulated again. The 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 reason why I wouldn't take that though is because like, I'm just taking that just to test to build conviction with turtle soup, but basically like I think the draw is gonna be this low, so that's why that wouldn't have been a good trade. What is the people who the first manipulation? What if the people who did the first manipulation are then manipulated by the bigger institution? I don't know. I think you're reading into it too much. Maybe low EA black. Manipulation breaks down fast under basic scrutiny. Well, if it goes up now, then this was never the manipulation. I was just testing my bias, but it won't. I don't think price will not. Well, I can't say it won't, but I highly doubt that price is going to head up higher because if it were to head up higher, I would expect this turtle soup to hold. And the reason this isn't really the best setup either is just because I don't think we really chopped enough. And plus, like, I'm not very comfortable with this, so I'm just trying to build my confidence with it. Yeah, only on the 1 minute too. Like I've been saying, bro. Like realistically, I need to see more on the 5 minute. Like we just took out a daily level. I need to see more structure on it. Not even the 5 minute, bro, but like low key the 15 minute. Turtle soup is like ascending slash. I couldn't tell you, bro. It's pretty much just again. I'm kind of new. I'm new to trading, so I'm not gonna have that much conviction with it. But that's why I took that trade. I'm testing my conviction. Now, next time we take a trade, I can see that we need now I know that's something I can kind of look back. I'm still gonna journal that trade, see why I didn't go why, but basically if you have consolidation, like market causes max pain. Market causes max pain. So in here, bro, we all we're doing is we're just trapping sellers long and short. I'm probably not the best to explain it, but I like how I'm explaining it because it makes me think more. So we're trapping buyers long and short here. Notice how like when I said like turtle soup, it was really just like one leg down, and then I'm like, oh, this is already turtle soup. That isn't really correct. Market doesn't cause max pain. I think market definitely does cause max pain. The market's constantly trying to stop people out. So the market will cause max pain. And then, so turtle soup is basically, so we're stopping out all these traders that, a lot of breakout traders or whatever, there's a lot of liquidity right here. Because people will be putting their stops up here, maybe like take profits, but a lot of people are entering the market here. We're exiting the market. And the theory is that you want to take this entry, this would be a low risk buy, and then we would manipulate. Like this is that manipulation distribution. Manipulation is not real. I mean, bro, just go in the markets and look. Go into the markets and look. If manipulation works, why do so many ICT traders struggle? Because they don't have enough conviction with it, and they don't have enough experience. Like the reason why traders struggle is because this is hard. Trading is hard. The reason why the I'm gonna put this on blast. The reason why so many traders struggle, is because trading is hard. It is hard to master. It is hard to build conviction. Just because it doesn't, it's hard to align time and price. It really is. So just because a trader is learning a concept and that concept is proven to work, doesn't mean that trader will instantly be able to trade it. It does not. You have to build conviction with this. There's emotions within trading as well. Mastering a strategy that's not real will never work no matter how much you practice. A strategy that's not real, what do you mean by that? Well, I mean, you're mastering an edge. You're mastering your edge. Manipulation is not real. I mean, I don't know how you're going to. I don't know how you're going to say that when you probably haven't looked in the markets yourself and have not seen it repeat over and over. I'm not. We're going to look at the charts. Like, is this not in a sense manipulation? Is this not in a sense manipulation? Is this not manipulation? Is this not manipulation? Is this not manipulation? We're acting like we're going lower, but really, in reality, we're going higher. That is manipulation. As a form of manipulation. Look at this candle. Just look at this candle. In this, we have a big buy candle that is manipulating and inducing buyers to go high. But in a sense, then we just sell off. That is manipulation. The market moves in algorithms. And all I'm doing is I'm trying to learn these algorithms and trade with the algorithms. Like I'm saying, why this wouldn't be the manipulation, because if this was actually turtle soup, we would have already headed that high. That's why I'm putting my stop below this, because below this low, because I know if we break below this, then we're just going to sell off lower. You're looking at random candles from random. Yeah, I'm looking at random candles to show you that manipulation occurs in the market. To prove the point that manipulation occurs, I'm choosing random candles. A 7:30 a.m. candle is not the same as a 10 a.m. candle in NQ. The market is mostly random, but support/resistance is way more effective than manipulation. I mean, it depends how you use it. It depends on the trader you are. And I trade with manipulation, and if you're in edge, I'm trying to master is through manipulation. So that's what I'm personally trying to master. So. Can you explain manipulation? I missed a lot. Basically, bro, I'll make it very simple. So we have a range. And then we go like this. If you look at the market, you will see this happen. You will see this happen. So what we were doing here is we were manipulating like we're going lower, but then we really are just taking the the theory behind liquidity is that there has like in here, this is where people are placing their stops. Right within this range. This is where people are placing their stops. Because if you're in this range, you're going to place your stop below this low. That's likely what you're going to do. So there's a lot of liquidity resting within here. I'm probably not the best person to explain it. I would recommend watching a video on that. But I will be someday in a place where I can explain it very well. But basically, this is where liquidity rests, lies. We know that a lot of traders are going to get out of the market here. Smart money is going to take advantage of this, and then this is likely where we're going to move in price efficiently. But what I want to do right now is I just want to look. We're going to look at the charts, and we're going to see when we get big moves. Like a big move, like I don't know if I would do it. An efficient move. And this is all after night session. So like this would be a big move. What are we doing? Manipulating. We have liquidity resting above here. We sweep an internal, displacing lower, and then we move lower. Again, even here we have liquidity resting here. We're taking people out of the market, and then smart money uses this as opportunity to go higher. This is only on the 1 minute, so again we have liquidity resting at this, and we make a fast move. This is a good model. Here we have this isn't really best example, but price moves efficiently. Bro, what? Why? I don't know, Nicholas. Like everyone trades differently. So if you're dogging someone down for how they trade and saying that that's not something that they should learn, then honestly, bro, I think you need to reevaluate like the way you think about this. Like just because you don't like it, just because you don't think it's right, doesn't mean someone else can't go in the market and see it repeat over and over, use it as their edge, build conviction with it, and then become a good trader. Am I dogging someone down? I don't know. You said like, I guess you said in my opinion. I don't know. This is way down the list of things that you should learn as a trader. I think that, in my opinion, that's on like something that you should learn in how I trade. So. Did you ever attempt doing manipulation trading? No, I have no evidence that it works. Well, bro, the thing is I'm learning. So like me being able to call it out, it takes time. That's why not everyone is able to be a trader, because it takes time, it takes practice. Who got you into trading? I don't know. That's a good question. I honestly couldn't really tell you. I guess probably social media, honestly. Sadly, I'll say yeah, social media. And then like, cause I always like wanted to make money, and I guess I got lured in. I don't know. I also like stocks. I like the stock market, and I was like, that's cool that like the stock market handles like money. I don't know. But I guess I would say like social media, and then I kind of just like started doing it. Last point I'll make: I don't think it takes time to learn manipulation. It's a very simple. Keep it up. Don't worry about no one saying it. I love bro. I love I love the vids, and I will always learn something watching. Hey, I appreciate you, bro. You've been in the chat. I appreciate you. Thanks, y'all. I mean, I don't know, bro. You don't think it takes time to learn? You don't think it takes time to learn the stock market? You don't think it takes time to learn how the markets move? Me too. I was just wondering because your chart seems to look like. Oh yeah, yeah. So, I did used to watch TJR. I watched his whole boot camp in. I mean, I've seen support resistance trading work. I haven't seen a manipulation trader before do live trading or even followed a manipulation trader. So I'm just seeing how it works. Risk management, forever learning. Manipulation, legit 20 minutes in some. I don't know, y'all. I mean, anyone that trades like ICT concepts is looking for manipulation because that's when you want to get to the market. You want to get in the market when we're manipulating, right at the manipulation move. I'm heading out, bros. I'll have a video up soon. See you next week. Have a great one, Eddie. Um, I'll have I'll have a session later, and tomorrow there's we're gonna have the Discord webinar, but that's gonna be interesting to just get like in the swing of having those because right now they might not be anything crazy, but like in the future they will. Gotta build a foundation first. But if you can't say something is a manipulation entry, then when it doesn't work, say that wasn't actually a manipulation. Because sometimes it's not going to work. Sometimes it's not always going to work. It's not always going to work. Like your strategy and what you see may not always work. That's why risk management is important. So I'm willing to take a stab at that, and I'm willing to try that trade idea, because if it is the manipulation, then I will get rewarded. My trade of risk to reward. Do you have things in mind for your webinar? Like, I want to talk about like like psychology trading, discussing like markets, and I think it would just be a good thing to do. Let me know when you've completed your manipulation mastery and you can be profitable. Well, I cannot tell you when I'll be profitable, but I know it'll probably be in some time because you will do it as well. Well, the thing is, bro, like I I'm learning a whole system, and I'm trying to learn a whole system. So. Yeah, we're just slowly selling off. Probably into that hourly for value gap into that low. But this, yeah, this wasn't a setup, and I'll journal this. I'll say that this really isn't anything. I gotta pee again. I'll be back. So you look for a chopping movement in the opposite direction you would predict, then enter assuming that it will go the way you. Um, that that's not like all I trade off of. I trade using ICD concepts, and I'm learning. I'm learning, bro. And kind of who I learn from is this is kind of who I've been learning from. Justin Merlin. He has some great stuff. So he's definitely worth checking out. That's who I'm learning from, and then also the man ICT himself. Are you waiting for a price to go back up and enter off the imbalance? I'm waiting for us to like. For me, I don't really see any trade. I mean, I guess you could. I think we're gonna head towards this low. Head towards this low, and we're going to head into this imbalance, this hourly imbalance. That's where I think we're heading. Never seen Justin. Yeah, I would recommend. He has some good stuff. Like if you look at, like I've watched like all of these. Yeah, we're gonna sell off to this. I just didn't really see an entry for that. What looking back, is there an entry that like could have worked? I mean, I don't know. This is really just straight up, straight down. I don't really see much opportunity. Where I personally would like to see happen, or like something like this. Maybe like that, but this is just like a straight sell off. Live examples of Will Spy. How long have you been consistently trading for? Like, what do you mean? Like, consistently trading, like showing up every day? If we break it, does not mean the huge sell off is imminent. So now I'm curious to see, like, if we break below this, then that can tell me that we actually want to go lower. Maybe back into equilibrium of this range. If we break below this fair value gap, which I think we will. Like taking it serious, I would say like serious like 2 months. Like 2 months. Ever since I started like trading, or ever since I started streaming, I've put a lot more effort into it. And like I've been saying, bro, if you look back on like the trades I was taking in my previous live streams, what's my P&L? I'm on a demo account right now. But I would say I'm about break even. I'm just testing ideas, testing my conviction, building my conviction. When the market like when we get good market conditions, like for me, I haven't been trading that much, and I would like to see us like head lower, and I would like to see us trade within here. I think I'm going to be able to get better setups when we're trading with like within this range, rather than up here in all-time highs. So I'm waiting for that to happen. Once that happens, I feel like I will be getting a lot better trade setups, and that's when I'll probably be on live account, more conviction, and I will be a better trader. And we just, bro, oh my gosh. Yeah, so for me, we're likely to head into here, and that's where I think we're gonna go. I mean, hourly candle still is like this just opened. All-time high is basically float up or nothing. I don't think that I don't personally think that all-time highs is like the best to trade in. It's weird whenever I go into like 15 minute, the 15 minute, like all of my boxes don't work. They all disappear. Bro, I'm gonna grab my food. I'm hungry. I'm going to grab it. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. I will remember. Sometimes it lasts in love, sometimes it hurts more. Sometimes it lasts in love, sometimes it hurts instead. Mm-mm. Bro, it's so good. I'm eating French toast. Always gotta have French toast for breakfast. For me, I can't. If I could eat eggs, I'm allergic to eggs. If I could eat eggs, I know French toast does have eggs, but I like to dilute it. But like I can eat eggs if it's like baked in, but I can't like have straight up eggs. You still use a lot of information from TGR Bootcamp. What do you try? Oh yeah, I use yeah I use order blocks for like apps. I use all that. Break structure definitely was. I would recommend watching that if you're trying to trade like me, which you probably shouldn't try to trade like me. You probably shouldn't be taking the trades I am because I'm still learning. I'm still building conviction. So yeah, TJR Bootcamp was I would recommend. I do think though that like watching videos, if you're solely trying to get your all your information and conviction off of watching videos, you got the wrong mindset. Because I think the best way you can learn and the best way that you can become better as a trader is to learn from your own mistakes. Like no one's gonna make the same mistakes as you. No one is going to mess up like you, and you have to realize that. So like if you're trying to watch like this is hard to say because like I watch videos like every day. I'm constantly trying to learn. This is because I'm new to the game, but along with that, I'm also journaling. I'm also learning the mistakes I make and learning how like what did I miss during that trading day. Yeah, I mean you can definitely base your strategy off of someone else's. Like I take trades based off of like Justin Werling's strategy or like ICT concepts. But just because we have the same strategy, like you're going to have the same strategy as some, you can have the same exact strategy. You will take a slightly different trade than them. You'll see the market a little bit differently, and you will take therefore a slightly different trade. Yeah, I would recommend trying to find a profitable model. Find people that are profitable themselves. Maybe see what they're trading, see what you like about it, see what you don't, and create your own out of it. That French toast always hits different. You're mature for your age. I thought you were in your early 20s. Nah, I'm 18. About to be 19 though. Like very 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 close. But thank you. KD's best scorer of all time. Best scorer of all time is probably, I don't know. KD's definitely up there. I don't really care. Prime Harden is insane. Prime Westbrook is also slept on. I feel like Prime. A lot of people hate on Russ for no reason. They don't know how crazy that is. I'm from Colorado. Colorado. Westbrook, guy can't shoot. You don't know ball. I want to go there and snowboard, bro. I go in bro skiing. It's like the mountains are so nice here. I live like 30 minutes away from mountains, or honestly like I would say like 10 15 minutes. I live like, if you know where Boulder is, that's kind of like where I live. I live near Boulder, like 10 15 minute drive. When do you plan on trading on a funded account or any sort of live account? I would say like 1 or 2 months. Look up his 3 point percentage and let me know. Brian Westbrook would lead today's league easily, but he doesn't, and we can't go back. LOL. In scoring, well, we're not talking about scoring, bro. Prime Westbrook is like people just love to hate. Prime Westbrook was different, different person, different breed. You call him a stat pattern or whatever, but like, if I'm picking someone who I want on my team, bro, D Rose's prime was like 2 weeks. Chillax. Is the youngest MVP ever, and look at his career. It's unfortunate, but look at his career. Dwayne Wade prime. I was not alive for that. I would say D Rose. Also, I really do like John Morant. I do like John Morant. Yeah, I couldn't tell you, bro. That I was not alive for D Wade. Or no, I was alive for D Wade, but I was probably like 10. Even then, like I don't really even watch that much basketball. I like to watch college basketball. I can't really discuss NBA, but when it comes to college basketball, bro, I like watching college basketball. I mean, I think college basketball, in my opinion, like March Madness will always beat NBA playoffs for me. D Wade was similar to Donovan Mitchell without threes. Y- Yeah, D Wade and Braun. If I'm looking to take any buy here, I need to see like big displacement up. I need to see at least this 5 minute get ran. If I'm even gonna look to buy here, but I think I'm not going to take anything. I think Westbrook's best year was better than Wade's best year, but I would take D Wade for sure. Yeah, I couldn't really. Who do you got winning the playoffs this year for NBA? Personally, I think the Clippers Clippers could do something. Celtics, yeah, Celtics maybe. I just don't like the Celtics. You can never find me rooting for the Celtics. I hope the Nuggets. I hope the Nuggets. Wait, is that where Tatum's from? St. Louis? Jokic or Luca? Bro, I don't know. They're both just equally as great and equally as white. I mean, I don't think you can really make that comparison. Let's not bring race into this. I mean, when you have it's not every day you see two white players in the NBA. They're like absolute nuts. Giannis over Jokic and Luca. Bro, I'm from Greece. I'm actually 25% Greek. So, Giannis is me brother. I'm picking Thanasis over anyone though. What do they call you, the Greek geek? Call me? That was mean. That was that was very soft. Greek geek. They call me the freaking legit. I want to say they call. I wouldn't say they call. Giannis calls himself that.
Bro, I I would not agree. I hate Embiid. I hate Embiid. I hate watching him play. Like just watching him play makes my eyes hurt. It's so annoying. Like bro flops. I mean, I guess everyone flops, but especially as like a 7-3 center, like bro, come on. He's not aesthetic, I agree. And just like I don't like the guy. I mean, overall, just NBA is not, in my opinion, NBA is just not fun to watch. That's why I like watching. I like watching college basketball. I think college basketball is better, more exciting. Best players to watch. I couldn't tell you. I don't really watch basketball. I watch college basketball. I like Baylor, as you can see on my shirt. So I only really watch college basketball. I watch Baylor play, and then I watch I'll watch it if I'm like on the treadmill. But like bro, like realistically, I don't really have time for that. I don't really have time to watch basketball. We're still within this hourly imbalance. March Madness is coming up. I think okay, the you know like so this is funny, bro. So I used to have TikTok. I used to post like basketball content, and I was such a big Baylor fan, and like I was like it was kind of cringe, but I was like, this team's gonna win March Madness, and I was like Baylor. That was in 2022, or whenever. I think that was 2020. No, that was 2021. It's like Baylor's going to win, and then they won. Yeah, I actually have a Shea jersey. It's pretty clean. I do like DeMar DeRozan. Jalen Brown. I like it when he drives to the left. I like it when he uses his left. But for March Madness, all right, I already know that Purdue is not gonna win. I already know that UConn is not going to win. So I feel like maybe I feel like either like a 3-4, or like 8 seed is going to win March Madness. I was up $50 today, then sold to a $4 loss today. Waiting for Monday, bro. It's okay right now, bro. Right now, if you actually listen to what I'm saying, I can I might be able to change your trading career and how you look at the markets. So right away, I can tell that when you said I was up $50 today, and then I sold out a $4 loss. You're only focusing on the money. You're only focusing on the money right now. You're only focusing on the money. And this is where I was wrong when I started trading, and this is where I think a lot of traders go wrong. You're focusing on the money. Instead, look at the trades that you took. Look at the trades that you took. Like actually sit back and look at them and analyze them. Was that first trade a good trade? It might have been, or it might have been a bad trade. And then look at the trades that you had the rest of the day. Why were you entering and exiting? Were they good reasons? Were they actually good reasons, or were you just buying to buy, selling to sell? Seems like he didn't have a game plan. I mean, he might have. Like, I'm not trying to bash you, bro. I'm not trying to bash you though. I'm just wishing that someone had been upfront to me about this when I started. Like I'm trying to help you. Just stop focusing on the money. take good trades and build good habits. Like, like, don't focus on your P&L. It right away. Just switch to a demo account. Switch to a demo account right now. Trust me. Trust me. You do not need to be trading on a live account if you're focused on the money. And that's where a lot of traders go wrong. Focus on the money. Why would you focus on the money, bro? The money does not matter. Like, someone can make $1 million on a trade. That same trade that someone could make $1 million on, the same trader can make $10 on, $1. It's called being profitable. Well, are you truly trying to be profitable, or are you just focused on the money? My passion was penny stocks. I made 22K off of 3K. TTOO. You can check it a while ago. I have proof. My Webull. I reinvested all of it and lost it all because a reverse split. Money is literally in the name. At the time, I didn't know what an RS was and moved options on Robinhood. I don't know what a reverse split is. But you made 20. So this is a story of a lot of traders, and I feel like that a lot of traders go through this. Not every trader, but a lot of traders do this. So they'll start with money, and then they'll end up actually making a decent amount of money. Like I never experienced this. I mean, when I started trading, I was up because I was just focusing on the money, and I was only focused on the money, and obviously you're gonna have emotions attached to money, and then as soon as I started losing, that's when I just started losing more and more and more and more, just because I was focusing on the money. Just because I was focusing on the money. Like if you're constantly looking at the money is not going to make your trades better. The money is not going to make your trades better. Now you have 100 to your name. Bro, just go on a demo account. Trust. It's hard to focus on being a better trader and keep your emotions out when you get into trading. Yeah, if you're in trading to make money, you are doing it for the wrong reason. Well, if you're solely focusing on that, like obviously, anyway, this would be, we have inverse. For me, I want to see something on the 5 minute though. Yeah, I want to get back what you lost. I know the exact thing. You need a rational reason to enter a trade and a rational reason to exit it. Any emotion is invalid in trading, happiness or angry or anything. Why are you in trading? Well, I started because I wanted to make money, and I was focused on making money. So what I do, I lost my money. Not all my money. I lost some money, but now I'm slowly trading to become a better person. I'm trading to become a more disciplined person, and I'm trading because I know that the more I trade, the better person I'll be. Can you help me understand theta burn and farther out contracts? Because can't people just do a September put for Nvidia this high, and it's free money? Well, you gotta think about it, bro. So theta decreases. I don't know. That's why I trade futures contracts. Futures contracts do not have theta. Theta is pretty much time decay. So if you have that contract and the stock doesn't move at all throughout the day, say the stock didn't move at all, you would still lose money. You would still lose money on that position because theta is going to eat up your contracts. And the reason why there's no such thing as free money because the market is uncertain. Like the market will do whatever it wants. Like no one truly knows what's going to happen. For all we know, bro, Nvidia could do this forever. Any company could do this forever. Nvidia might just keep on making higher highs.
higher highs. So I guess you could have said that right here. Since Nvidia has been doing this well, couldn't you just do a short right here? Couldn't you just do a put right here for like a higher out expiration date and then make so much money off this pullback? Because no one knows for certain. That's the wrong way to look at it. Better discipline is my number. That's all I focus on. Discipline. Do the things that you don't want to every single day. Show up every day and get better every day. Okay, what price would Nvidia do to come down for the option to be worth more than 10K? I don't know if you do 800, but doesn't it have to be $5 less by that time? True, but October and September are bloodbaths the past 2 years. I mean, bro, you totally could. I'm not educated enough on options to really advise you to do anything. So we totally could sell off. You could make money. But how I trade intraday timeframes. So the way I trade is I know that price is fractal. So if I showed you this, if I showed you this chart right here, I could tell you that this is a 1 minute chart. In like say you didn't see that this was a 4 hour chart. I could tell you this was a 1 minute chart, and I would be looking to take the same exact trades whether or not it's a 1 minute or a 4 hour. So the best trades for me to get is say the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute are all in line with each other. They're all trying to tell me the same thing. That's when I'll get my best trades. That's when I'll get best trades. If you select an 800 put, for every point on Nvidia goes down below 800, your put will increase exactly $100 of value. So we need to go to 700 to be exactly worth 10K. I didn't know that. So if you buy a 10K Nvidia 800 put, you're saying that you believe the price will be 700 or lower by then. I don't understand that because daily contracts are so much easier to understand. $1 movement is 100% of whatever amount. Yeah, options do have a lot of complexities. What's good, AZ? AZ. If something expires in 5 minutes, it's going to be worth about whatever it is now. That's why I would recommend. You don't have to, bro, but this is just my thought stance. Don't take this seriously. I would recommend switching over to futures and trade ES and NQ. Personally, there's tax advantages, and also you don't have theta. And just for me, in my personal experience, it's been so much better to place orders, to execute orders. I've had better risk, and I've been able to control my risk better. If something expires in 3 months, there's a huge chance that it could be higher or lower, so the cost option is much higher. I'm doing fantastic, bro. I wouldn't say like fantastic, but like I'm ready. I'm not looking to take a trade off this action, and I might head out soon. But for now we're chilling here. Options is the best instrument to trade in my opinion. The thing I don't like options, because how I trade, I'm trading intraday. I'm looking to take 1, 2, maybe 3 setups max. Maybe occasionally I might look to take 4 trades, but preferably I would like to take 1 trade. But I know, like, with the edge that I'm setting up myself up with, and how that I'm going to trade in the future, that I'll likely take anywhere from 1, 2 to 4 trades a day. So futures contracts are the move for me. So that's how I'm trading. Like if it's fourth quarter and Lakers are up 20, how much would you take the bet for versus in the first quarter it's tied up?
The winner is way harder to determine. Yeah, I see.
The fact that options decay and there's still so many people who trade them show you something about their volatility. Yeah, options. I think you would get better returns on options compared to futures. But I'm just trying to avoid theta. So me personally, I'm not gonna trade options. But honestly, I couldn't tell you because yeah, 100%. If you scalp, they're also harder. It's options. How I view options is I think options are better or best if you're looking to take longer term positions. But if you're trying to scalp like me, I would recommend futures. But I feel like if you're trying to take an overnight position, if you're trying to swing something, if you're trying to take like a longer term position, I think the options would be better. I have to go. I subbed up with the bell. What time do you usually live stream? Great talking with y'all, you and Nicholas. Yeah, I appreciate it. I usually live stream every day market opens, but I also do aftermarket sessions around anywhere from like 3 to 5 Mountain Time. But in the future, we will have starting Saturday. There will be daily trading webinars. We will have daily trading webinars at 4:15 or at 6:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Every day, every day, every single day. They, I'll have to see maybe Sundays, but it kind of depends on my schedule. I might change the times on how they are, but for now that's what I'm doing. I'm out too. All right, I'll see you later, Nicholas. I might head out too. I just don't like where prices. I don't like where prices. I'll be back later for aftermarket session. I'm still gonna be looking at the charts. I'm still gonna be looking at the charts. I may potentially take another trade, but for now, it was just that one little. It was just that one. It was just that one soup setup. So yeah, I'm not disappointed in that, but I'm gonna journal see what that didn't work out. I think it's pretty clear, but so this is important, and this is what I want to talk about. I'm not gonna head out quite yet. I always say I'm thinking about heading out, but then I need to get better at that. So I took where was this where was it? Yeah, it was this. So I was taking this. I was expecting this to be turtle soup, pretty much a low risk buy. Um, just up to this high is where I had marked out, and then I actually added a position because I just want to see. I just want to see. Like this is just me trying to build conviction with this. So the reason why this didn't work is I thought that this would have been a turtle soup setup. If you don't know what that is, pretty much we're like chopping, stopping out all these buyers, or stopping out all the traders right here, and then moving higher. But the thing is that just the thing that was off on this trade was the draw. It was a draw. Like, I know that the draw is going to be this low, likely going to be this low. I was even saying that. What conviction did you have that it was a turtle soup though? I didn't really have much. I was just like I'm new to looking at turtle soup, so I was just testing it. Like, in no way would I be taking this trade on my actual account. But obviously it clearly wasn't. It clearly wasn't. So I took the L, and then I headed on, and this is just a learning experience where now I'm just, all I'm doing is building conviction. I'm building conviction with it. So now next time I won't get faked out by this, because I'm actually going to hold myself accountable, because I actually did take this trade. And I'm not going to sit on here and act like I didn't. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm not going to act like I didn't take this trade when I really did. And I thought that this could have been a setup. So I'm not going to lie to myself. I'm not going to tell you guys that I'm taking trades that I'm not. Because what does that do for me? To try to make me look better, like a better trader? Me personally, I love turtle soups right at open. Chop until open. We break away once. Quick position if it doesn't go super far. So you okay. I'm definitely gonna do some more. I'll definitely have to back test. I might get FX replay. I had a free trial for it, and I liked it. It's cool because you can literally go back into like 2 years in advance, and you can use like 1 minute time frames on that. So I think that's what I might do this weekend. So turtle soups at open, once we get that initial chop, I do, I might try to look for that too, because at open or around open is likely when you're gonna get that manipulation. FX replay is very glitchy. Only downside. Do you have Because I used it once, and I thought it was decent. I had like a free trial, then I canceled it. Because they have ES and NQ. But there was also like another, there, bro. There was another like someone that reached out to me that I have like a free trial, or I have like a free 240-day thing on like something. Some like replay software, but it's only 4x. TradingView bar replay is good. My only problem with TradingView bar replay is I'm not able to, like, say I want to look at the file. If I'm on ES especially, and I want to look to trade this, I would suggest using TradingView to back test personally. The advantage. So what I'm saying is, like, the advantage on like FX replay is I can go farther out. But definitely what am I trying to say? Bar replay is good. Bar replay is solid. Did you short the ES? I did not. I took one little trade and I wouldn't even really. I did take this, but like, realistically, if I'm on a live account, I'm not taking this. This is just on my demo account. This is just me trying to. It clearly didn't work out, and now I know. So if you get a better TradingView plan, you get more data. Yeah, you do. I have the $15 a month one, and I also pay for like CME data, which is like $5. I'm pretty sure. Is it 5 or 7? I don't know. But I think like some sort of.
what about the NQ? Did you short it? No, bro. I took one trade.
Let me look up Epic. Yeah, I think it's like $35 a month. Bro, I'm gonna finesse them. I don't know. Looking at that, I took a long. I got stopped out. It didn't end up working out. So and now like this action for me just isn't that sustainable. I never paid for dude. That's what I'm saying, bro. I have like 5 different emails, and then like I just sign up for like the free trials on something. Because subscriptions are sneaky, bro. Subscriptions are sneaky. They are sneaky. Cause like you'll do a free trial, and then you'll have like, so you have your free trial, and then they'll just charge you. They make you put in like your card information, so then you get charged. I have advice to you, bro. Use the New York MO. What's MO? Monthly open? I can't be. So we are bouncing off that 1 hour. Midnight open. Uza's what? 'Cause that would be what, 22 for me. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna head out of here. I hope you guys have a great night, bro. Streams have been fantastic recently, and I thank you guys. Yeah, thank you guys for the support. The streams have just been continuing to be good streams, and I enjoy this, and I actually mean that I'm gonna be out, but I enjoy doing this, and we're gonna be doing this for quite some time now, and like I'm excited. I'm excited for what the future